Hi Leo, this is Mystic Mage Status. Welcome to your reading. And today, titingnan natin kung ano ang magiging ganap sa inyo this coming September 1 to 15, 2025. So let's go ahead and take a look. Angels, what's the situation for Leo this coming September 1 to 15, 2025? So first card, Leo, you have the Knight of Pentacles, which indicates a reliable and a loyal partner that you have, just like this horse. This could be your partner, your classmate, or your co-workmates, ganun. Or may mga friends kayo or family around you na very supportive sa inyo when it comes to your journey in life or your decision. They're just there to support you, to help you out, to guide you. And they know that you are very consistent with your efforts in life to have a stable income. And they know that you are a very hard worker. That's why they love you and they adore you and they support you in any way uh, na makatulong sila sa inyo. Okay? So, you do have the second card here, the moon. Okay, this also indicates a hidden emotion or a path of uncertainty. So, the Knight of Pentacles and the moon together corresponds a journey na gusto mong tahakin but you're not sure how to get there. Parang ganun yung nababasa ko. You're not sure how to get there. Although you do have someone to guide you, someone here with you to be with you always. Tingnan mo. First card have horse, the second card have pets, dogs. So this indicates that whatever situation or whatever it is, whatever path na kailangan gusto mo tahakin is huwag kayong mag-alala kasi may mga taong nagmamahal sa inyo na handang sumuporta all throughout your journey, kung ano man yan. Okay? Pentacles, they know that you are hardworking, they know that you are very consistent, and they know na you will overcome all challenges. Although this new path na tatahakin nyo is bago sa inyo, hindi kayo mawawalan ng taong gagabay at tutulong sa inyo. Okay? So, at the end of September, you do have the Ace of Wands. This one indicates a motivation. Okay? And an exciting opportunity, ideas, or beginning na parang nakikil ko na full power, full power 100% na itutuloy nyo na yung laban na to or yung path na naisip nyo. I mean, for example, this week, nag-iisip kayo na mag-business. You are not sure kasi first time nyo pa lang, parang ganun. So don't worry, you are surrounded with your loved ones that supports you. And at the end of September 15, you're going to have that full power, anong tawag dun? Yung courage other term sa courage. Sorry naman. So, yun na nga. Parang 100% na buo na talaga yung desisyon niyo na itutuloy ko na tong new business na to, itutuloy ko na ang studies na to, or itutuloy ko na tong bagong karera na ito. Kahit hindi ko alam kung saan patuloy na to. Basta, nandito lang yung mga family, friends, or mga taong handang tumulong sa akin. Diba? Ang ganda ng message sa inyo, Leo. So, I have here the Healing Energy Oracle card for your guidance. What's your message for Leo this September 1, 2025? Tingnan mo, positive thinking. And the angel, oops, sobrang dami na. What's your message for Leo this September 1 to 15, 2025? Parang, ito, matalon eh. Matalon siya, di ba? So, kunin natin. Okay. First card, our healing card is positive thinking. So, sinasabi ko lang kasi positive thinking lang. So, huwag kayong manega. My life is full of small patches of light. I direct my thoughts to that which brings me well-being. I place what is weighty for me into the hands of the universe. Little by little, the light awakens in my being and I find serenity. So, yun. Yun na nga, sinasabi ko, positive thinking. Even though hindi nyo alam kung saan kayo patungo, even hindi nyo alam kung paano sisimulan itong negosyo na to, or paano paano patatakbuhin itong bagong maybe karera na gusto nyong tahakin. You are guided with your friends, your love life, or kahit anong kahit, sa universe, you are guided, and you just have to be positive when it comes to life. Okay? And from our angel cards, you have the gratitude. This card is inspiration. So, ang sabi ni, message dito is, thank you. This is a heartfelt thanks to you from someone you recently helped in some way. I, your guardian angel, also wish to thank you for the unconditional love you emanate through the earth, humanity, and those around you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are eternally blessed. May peace, grace, and love forever guide you along your sacred path. So, ayun yung sinasabi ng angel dito is, they are think they are thanking you. Nagpapasalamat sila sa inyo because you are siguro masunurin na tao. Ganun. So, Leo, they are very courageous. Yet, they ang tawag doon, they they depend on the universe. They depend on something na they know it will help them. So, yun na, sinasabi dito. Okay, for the recap, you may have a journey na hindi nyo alam kung paano siya simulan o paano tatahakin, but don't worry. You just have to be positive in every situation, in every new beginning, because you are heavenly guided and you are supported with your loved ones, families, friends, colleagues, and you will overcome it at the end of the day, September 15. After 2 weeks, you are going to 100% na ibibigay yung buong desisyon nyo for this new journey. At alam ko hindi nyo yung pagsisisihan. Okay, Leo, that's your reading. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.